One day, a little boy walked out of his house and looked at the empty ground. He gently dug a small hole in the soil and placed a tiny seed inside. He covered it with care and gave it water. Warm sunlight fell from above, as if blessing the beginning of a new life. The next day, he came back again. He watered the same spot and quietly returned home. Day after day, he repeated the same routine, watering, waiting, and trusting the process. But something magical was happening beneath the soil. The seed was absorbing water, slowly waking up. Its outer shell cracked open. A tiny root grew downward into the earth, and a small shoot began reaching upward. After a few days, a tiny green sprout finally broke through the soil. The little boy came outside and saw it, a small sign of life. He smiled, feeling happy and proud. He continued to care for the plant every day, with water, sunlight, and patience. The little plant grew taller and stronger, until one day, it became a big, beautiful tree. Now it gives shade to people. Birds come and rest on its branches, and all of it started from a tiny seed.